Hello friends and welcome to my little kitchen. This is Mai and myself. Thank you so much for our last video in which we made crispy corn pops. We got a great response from that video, all because of you. Thank you once again.
Thank you.
So today we'll be making a Japanese pizza called MAYO JYAGA PIZZA. Mayo stands for mayonnaise, Jaga stands for jagaimo, which means potato. This is a dish loved by all people in Japan, especially it's very popular amongst the kids and it's one of my favorites too. So I'll be showing this to you today. Let's get started. The ingredients used to make the Mayo Jaga pizza are 1 store-bought pizza base, a handful of boiled corn, 1 potato cut into cubes, some mayonnaise filled in a piping bag, some salt, some pepper, little bit butter, some pizza sauce and some mozzarella cheese.
First, we'll heat the pan and add just 1 teaspoon of butter. Once the butter is melted, we'll add the finely cut potatoes. We'll saute the potatoes till they are a little golden in color. We'll be adding just 2 pinches of salt and 2 pinches of pepper powder. Let's give it a nice mix. It will take about 2 to 3 minutes.
I have kept my oven to preheat at 180 degrees for 10 minutes. Now I will be assembling the pizza. First we take some pizza sauce and apply it on the base. Next, I will be putting some mozzarella cheese. Next, we will be putting on some boiled corn. Not much, just a handful of them. Then we will be putting on the potato. Then we'll be putting on the mayonnaise. For that, we'll be making a small hole. Now our pizza is ready to go in the oven. Now we will be cooking the pizza in the oven at 180 for 10 minutes. Now we will be cutting the pizza into slices.
Our yummy pizza is ready. Just see the cheese melting.
Hope you liked our today's recipe. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell so you'll be able to watch the newly posted videos. See you next time. Bye!